Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the fingerprint scanner of your OPPO A6x 4G isn't recognizing your fingerprint properly. In such case, let's set up a new fingerprint model for this smartphone, and to do this, let's go to Settings. Let's scroll down to Security and Privacy menu. Let's go to Device Unlock and select Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Now, if you have any previously enrolled fingerprints on your smartphone, you're gonna have to remove them by tapping the three dots icon next to your fingerprint and selecting Delete. Then confirm, and then wipe the surface of your fingerprint scanner just to make sure that it's not stained and it reads our fingerprint smoothly. To clean your scanner, I recommend using a piece of a microfiber cloth or just a dry towel if you don't have microfiber cloth around. Make sure that it's clean and smooth, and then tap Add a fingerprint, and then try to place the middle part of your fingerprint on your scanner, then the other parts like the top part, the sides of your fingertip. Generally add as much of your fingertip as possible for the best experience, and then tap Done. Now let's go back to Settings, and let's make sure that the device is updated to the latest version. So to do that, scroll down to System and Update, go to Software Update, and check if you have any updates to download and install. And as you can see, we have some new software version, and sometimes the issues with devices hardware and hardware elements like face recognition scanner, fingerprint scanner can be fixed by simply updating our device to the latest version, because along with updates they also oftenly putting some software fixes and hardware fixes that commonly appear on the smartphone models. So so if you have some software update to install, then it's most probably gonna fix your issue. If not, then just to apply changes, restart your phone, and after it's restarted, we'll check out how our fingerprint scanner works. Okay, so the phone is restarted. Now let's unlock the phone using the screen lock pattern, and after that let's lock the phone and let's try to lock the fingerprint scanner right now. Okay, and so it worked just fine. Let's try it one more time. Bit lagging. Okay, and so it works just fine right now, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you fix your issue, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.